In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to center a button in Webflow. We'll walk through this together from the moment you log in, so even if you're fairly new to Webflow, you'll be able to follow along easily. First, go ahead and log into your Webflow account using your usual details. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your dashboard. Here, you'll see a list of all the sites in your workspace. Find the specific site where you want to center your button. When you hover over that project on the dashboard, you'll see an option that says Open in Webflow. Click that to open your site in the Webflow Designer. After the designer loads, you'll see your website layout in the main canvas. Take a moment to navigate to the page and section where your button is located. You can do this by using the navigator panel on the left, or by scrolling directly on the canvas until you see the button you want to center. Now, this next part is important. Instead of selecting just the button, you want to select the container or the element that is holding the button. This might be a div block, a section, a column, or another type of wrapper. Click on that parent element so that it's highlighted. You'll know it's selected when you see its blue outline in the canvas and its name in the top left of the designer. With the container selected, look to the panel on the right side of your screen. This is the Styles panel, where you manage the visual properties of your element. Make sure you're on the Styles tab, which is represented by the paintbrush icon. Within the Styles panel, scroll until you see the typography section. Even though typography usually sounds like it's only for text, Webflow groups some alignment controls here that also affect child elements, including buttons. In this typography section, look for the Align options. You'll see alignment icons such as left, center, and right. Click the Center Alignment option. As soon as you do this, your button inside that container will move to the center horizontally. Check the canvas to confirm that the button is now perfectly centered within its parent element. That's all you need to do. By selecting the button's container and using the Align Center option in the typography section of the Styles panel, you can quickly and cleanly center any button in Webflow without extra code or complex layout changes.